This tutorial review will show you how to set up auto reply on Instagram. To set up auto reply on your Instagram, the first thing you have to do is convert your personal account to a professional account. To do that, open your Insta profile, tap on this three-line icon at the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, and scroll down, tap on account type and tools, tap on switch to professional account, continue, select a category, tap on done, select here creator or business and then tap on next, tap on this cross icon at the top right, and your account will be converted to a professional account. Once done, open your profile and tap on this three-line icon at the top right. Then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on creator tools and controls. Frequently asked questions. Make sure to enable show questions option from here. Tap on add question. Suggested questions that people can ask at the beginning of a chat, then set up an automated response to those questions. And write here your question. Write the answer here. Tap on save. And this is how we can set up auto reply on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial Reviewer. See you in the next video.